Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain what are the things we should not do on Instagram which is affecting to our reach, account ranking and quality score. Strategy number 1, quality content. Quality content is very important. We need to provide very good content for our audience. It's not that every day we need to post something to show our audience. If we are providing good quality content, we will have very good engagement. It will help to grow our account ranking. That way future post it will reach more people and you can get more engagement. That way you can get more follower also. Strategy number 2, posting every day. If you can post every day, it's much better because you will have more engagement and your account will reach to more people. This is one of the best way to grow your Instagram. But if you don't have time, then don't pressure yourself. Depend on your available time, you can post. But if you have time, much better you can post every day. Strategy number 3, try to stop borders. If you are going to post image or videos, try to avoid the borders. We need to use more space, like a more available space we need to use to show our content to the people. It's more visibility. If you are using borders, then the visibility is going less for your main content, effect for your reach and engagement. Strategy number 4, stop sharing engagement group. It means some people they are sharing their posts to some groups, say engagement groups, example some WhatsApp groups or similar some groups that people are helping each other. If you are sharing your post to that group, how many people are there in this group? They will like and comment your post to help you. So next time when they are posting, you need to help also for them. It's like that. So I will never recommend this type of method. Maybe you will get some like or comment this time. But the problem here, the Instagram machine, the algorithm will confuse for your account. They will think they are the targeted audience. It means those who are in that group, the people are in your targeted audience. So next time when you are going to post, the Instagram will reach that post to the people similar to the WhatsApp group, because the algorithm are thinking your post, the targeted audience is this type of people. But in your future post, you will not have engagement because that is not your targeted audience. This way your account reach is going down slowly. This way you will not have reach in your future post, and also for your account it will not grow. You will not have any ranking for your account. So I will never recommend this type of shortcut method. Strategy number 5, stop doing follow unfollow method. What is follow unfollow method? Some people they are following the people to get attention to our account and they will follow you, so you will have more followers, like that. So a lot of people are doing this method. This method also it will not help to grow your account, because those who are following you, they are not really your targeted audience and you will not have any growth from this audience. Another problem here, the Instagram algorithm will find out that you are keep following and removing the people every day. So this way they can disable your follow and follow option from your account temporarily or permanently. Also same time you cannot like or comment anyone post, they will disable. So that's why we need to be very careful here. Maybe it will terminate your account because of this reason. Strategy number 6, stop buying followers, likes, comments. Online there is available from the illegal websites that if we pay money we can get followers, likes, comments. These all are robots. It's not real account or people. It's a bots. It's a software robots will go to your account and like, comment, follow. This is really major problem that Instagram algorithm will find this and they will remove all your robots from your account. Also it will block sometime your account permanently. Even your request for review they will not. Nowadays it's very difficult to recover the account from this type of shortcuts. That's why I will never recommend to buy fake followers, likes or comment anything. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.